Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Michael from WeBe Autos. Today I have a 2006 Bentley Continental GT. Gorgeous car, completely hand assembled. It's gray with a gray interior. The sound of this car is just amazing. It sounds like a jet fighter or something. It's got 552 horsepower, 6-liter V12 twin turbo, HID headlights, and sit right below it are the washers for it. It's your flying V. There's a spoiler in there that deploys. Definitely pretty cool. The glass is double paned glass, really thick. You can see that. Inside smells like rich leather. You have all of the amenities you'd expect. You know, navigation, heated seats, dual climate control. It's got the cool analog Bentley clock there. Showing 26,000 miles on the odometer. Just a gorgeous car. And the knobs and switches are just gorgeous. It'll run you 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. Definitely pretty cool. Sounds awesome. Cylinder, 6-liter twin turbo. Awesome as your flying V. Definitely pretty cool. Also have all the books and manuals. I love how the door's shut too. Just lightly close it. Sucks it in. Pretty cool. Just have all the owner's manuals, navigation discs. Oh, it's got a Valentine 1 in it too. Nice. Definitely a nice bonus. Valentine 1's one of the best radars you can fly. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. If you have any questions at all about this 2006 Bentley GT, give me a buzz. The number is 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot and have a great day.